It's Flavour Friday again, and today we are making a scrumptious tandoori chicken. If you love our recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Never miss a Flavour Friday special again. Okay, so tandoori chicken, this is a recipe for you to be able to do at home. I'm sure not many people here in the UK have access to a tandoori oven, but we're still going to create that smoke and that char and be able to give our chicken a really nice finish. So we're starting off by marinating our chicken. I've got 4 quite large chicken legs here. And we're going to start by scoring and then marinating our chicken. So we're scoring it so all of those spices and the flavors can get into the meat and also will help to create a bit more char when we come to cook it. So I'm just making a couple of incisions in. You can almost go down to the bone, all the way across. If you want to, you can trim it, get rid of the excess kind of fat on there. I'm not going to. I find that the thigh and the leg are the tastiest bit of meat, and I want to get as much of that as I can. Right, so now that our chicken legs are cut, we're going to marinate it with a few different spices here. We've got some ginger, some garlic, and some natural yogurt. So the natural yogurt will help to really tenderize our meat and will also create almost like a sticky sauce on top of it for those spices to stick to and char, all the good stuff. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of ginger, the same of garlic. You can use minced garlic if you prefer. I've just got some finely chopped garlic and ginger there. And then to our spices. So I have got quite a medley of spices here. We've got some turmeric, some Kashmiri chili, so that will help to bring out that red color. We've got some garam masala, some ground fenugreek, some cumin, and some coriander powder. It's about a heaped teaspoon of each of those. In they go. I'm also going to season it with a little bit of salt now. And then when we come to cook it, we can also just add a little bit more seasoning on top. Now I'm going to go straight in with my hands and really massage those spices into our chicken, making sure that you get it into all of those slices. And then we're going to rest it in the fridge for a couple of hours. If you can do it the day before, that's perfect. So you can really take on as much of those spices as possible. Okay, so that has been mixed in really well now. I'm just going to add in a good squeeze of lemon juice just to give it that bit of acidity and freshness. And then I'm going to pop that in the fridge to marinate. All right, so we have our marinated tandoori chicken. It has been in the fridge for a good 3 to 4 hours now, so it's really taken on all of those beautiful colors and flavors. We've got a nice grill pan here. I'm going to pop it onto a medium-high heat. I don't want to go too hot straight away, otherwise it's not going to cook through the whole chicken, so we need to get it right to the bone. We're going to go skin side first, and we want to get that really good char and color. Now, I've just rolled up some paper towel, and I've got some vegetable oil here. You could use a pastry brush, whatever you've got available. And I'm just going to make sure that our pan is really well coated with oil. And then we're looking for it to get up to a nice high heat, just so that we get that initial searing, and then we'll cook it away until it is cooked to the bone. So all of these extra gnarly bits of, gnarly. It's such an Australian thing to say as well. Gnarly bit. It's like dragon legs. all these extra bits of marinade, they can all be cooked. Like, don't worry about these bigger bits on top. It's all going to char up and taste good. Okay, so that heat's coming through now. Skin side down. Listen for the sizzle. Oh, it smells heavenly. And we'll let them get really nice and charred on that side. Leave them be for a little bit. Try and resist touching them all the time because it will start to break off some of that marinade. You want it all to stick together. But we'll cook them for probably about 5-6 minutes on each side till it's cooked all the way through. Okay, I have been cooking up a storm. I've just been flipping them 5-6 minutes on each side and then just making sure that I've got coloration on the chicken completely. Just to make sure that they are cooked all the way through. Just give it a little cut, make sure that you're right to the bone and there's no pink. But how delicious and amazing are these looking? All of this char is just that cooked marinade. You're gonna get that smoky flavor from that, and I'm pretty excited to serve these up. So, I need a plate. Okay, let's serve them up. These look scrumptious. Okay, so I've also got some cooling yogurt coriander dipping sauce. Nothing too fancy, just enough to kind of cut through that richness of all these spices. And then I'm just going to garnish it very simply with some fresh coriander and some fresh chili. And there you have it. This is my version of tandoori chicken. Okay, let's have a little taste. I am not gonna pick up a whole leg of chicken. It's not gonna happen. Oh, perfectly cooked. A little bit of that beautiful yogurt. That is smoky. So flavorful. The chicken is cooked perfectly. That is a banger of a dish. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please subscribe to our School of Wok YouTube channel. The recipe for this is down in the link below. And please comment, we'd love to hear from you.